Welcome back to Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. Today we're going to install a new one of these. As you can see here, got a lovely stone chip, broke that, so ordered a new one. So I've got to take the bumper off, take this off, replace it with a new part I've got over there. And while we're doing it, we're going to wrap the crash bars as well in mini red, just to add something to it, so that'll be cool. So we'll get this done now. I'll show you how to take the bumper off, how to dismantle this, and yeah, see if you can do it at home. I don't know, I've never done it before. I heard it's a bit of a pain in the arse, but we'll see. So let's get to it. To get the bumper off, you have to undo this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then there's two, one here and one here behind these fenders that we have to pop off. So I'll undo them and then I'll show you how to pop off the fenders. So to get the fenders off, you want a trim tool, something like that. You want to reach down the back, and behind here are some little pop clips. Now they are prone to break, so be very gentle with them. And you just prise, find one that takes your fancy, just prise it, and just be dead gentle with it, like that. And then one down here, like that. Just have to work all the way along, getting them all to unclip like so. Off. Some of those you don't want. Some of those you do want. You actually need to take the whole thing off. Yeah, you don't need to take the whole thing if you just need to get to this one bolt that's here. So just keep working, take your time with it, be patient, because yeah, you don't want to snap. There we go. And this is this one down here. Come on. Cool, and then just show you the last one is just there. Same on both sides. Take them off and then the bumper will come off.
There was something in your eyes went click. Saw you standing in the back room with your tattoos, and I knew I should have turned away. You were about to give my world a shake.
There we go, so bumper off. My fault, I just forgot to tell you about the 8mm bolts that run on the bottom here. So there's one on the side in the footwell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then another that goes in the footwell. So that's off now. You can see there. Sorry, it's I've decided to do this on the hottest day of the year. So running the AirTech intercooler, uprated boost pipe, and then obviously got the forge intake on there, ultra racing strut bar, had the covers, this one and this one. Sorry, I'm working out new zoom on the new camera, apologies. Had them hydro dipped, and then the red John Cooper Works from Mini Bits. So getting there, definitely getting there. Let's go over here and have a look. So by the looks of it, you've just got to take all of these clips out. I'm going to have a good study now, but it looks like there is a hell of a lot of clips on that black piece. So I'm just going to work out which clip goes to where, and then I'll come back to you and let you know which clips you need to take out. Cool guys, so what I decided was I was spending a lot of time trying to get these clips out. Now the only ones you need to release are these big ones here, and it will pop out, these ones and these ones, and it's these here, you leave them alone, they're not a part of it. So I took this out, trying to wiggle them free, won't come free, and I thought, well, it's got a big gaping hole in it anyway, hence why I'm replacing it. So I'm just going to cut these clips off, and that way, if we just cut these off, makes getting this off a lot easier, and because we've got a brand new one, they'll just clip straight in, and I'll give this all a clean. But I just thought, I was trying to get it off to keep it. If you've got this piece and you want to get it off, then you've got to try to wiggle them clips out, but it's very difficult. I spent 10 minutes of time doing nothing, so yeah, I'm just going to snap these clips off now and get it off.
These people don't do much for me. You got something a little extra. Normally I don't, but I think I'll let you get to know me. Maybe hold me if you're lucky. Yeah. The pressure's getting stronger. The room is getting harder. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. The pressure's getting stronger. The room is getting harder. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. Let's keep it secret, you and me, treading the deep end dangerously. Let's keep it secret.
Got it off. Not very easy. You have to take that bit off, which is all of those clips. Take that off and it pops off. It's on good news. So let's go through what you have to do, because that was far more difficult than expected. So you can't just take this bit off, that's these clips that I snap. You actually have to take the whole surround off. So work your way on the silver clips, green fly, work your way on the silver clips at the bottom, and then these clips at the top. What I found was best, just make sure you can see, start with these clips here, get them out, and then work on the bottom ones. And as you get one out, get your hand around the other side and hold it, and then push that, pull that, push it down, pull that, push it down, pull that, push it down, work away. And then the top ones are dead simple. Show you them here. These ones are just little clips that really are very easy to push through. Not an easy job, and don't think you can grab this out without taking it off, because I thought that, and it didn't work at all, and they snapped parts. So yeah, stick with it. So crash bars off. Got these wraps for it, so they just go on there. So I've taken it off, given it a wire wool, alcohol wipe, and now I'll stick that to it. All back together. Now it's time to put the bumper on. Wrapped the crash bar with the red wrap to get that off. It's 10mm, Torx 40, 10mm, dead simple. That just pops off. When you got the bumper off, great time to do it. Just wrap them, and then bumper's all back together. So I'll pop the bumper on now, do all the bolts up, do it up, and then we're going to put the 4D plates on.
The pressure's getting stronger. The room is getting harder. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. The pressure's getting stronger. The room is getting harder. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. Let's keep it secret, you and me, treading the deep end dangerously.
And done. It's a long day. I think it's looking pretty sick from the front now. Oh god, yeah, well happy with that. I think it looks loads better. Piano black's back, and yeah, looking smart. Just those carbon mirror caps to come now. Cheeky.